Which type of life insurance policy offer flexible premiums, adjustable death benefits, and a cash value component tied to interest rates? A.
Girl, man, you about to fall out already.
Which type of life insurance policy offer flexible premiums, adjustable death benefits, and a cash value component tied to interest rates? Oh, universal.
Now, why you say the wrong answer, then read it again and say, oh, then say the right answer? Help me understand.
I think because I was just, I don't know, Russian, I think.
Well, don't rush, superstar. You got to know some stuff. This is word association.
Yeah,
When it says flexible premium, the answer is universal life. Like as soon as you saw the word flexible, the answer would be universal. Ain't no like Russian guessing. No, if I asked you what your name was, you wouldn't call out the wrong name.
right. No.
So them words go together. That shouldn't even be like not even nothing to even be. That should be like a half a second. As soon as you saw the word flexible, the answer is universal. Next. All right. Question two.
Which policy provides lifelong coverage with fixed premiums and guaranteed cash value? A.
Yes, that's right. Now don't you ain't you making me nervous again. You why you sounding so indecisive? When that thing said lifelong, that means whole life,
Right,
right?
right.
Lifelong is your whole life. Fixed premium, guaranteed cash value, whole life. Don't be hesitant. You gotta you gotta say what you mean and mean what you say. Pick the right answer and go to the next one. All right, number three.
A renewable term life policy allows the policy owner to, so it's going to be B.
Yes, thank you. B, correct. Next.
Which life insurance policy is most suitable for someone who needs coverage, mortgage loan period? B.
Yep. Next.
What feature of permanent life insurance allowed the policy owner to access funds for loans or withdrawals? Which feature? Cash value.
Yep. Next.
Variable life insurance differs from whole life insurance in that uh so I don't know this one, but if
All right, well, let's talk about it. What is the word, like when I say word association, universal life always goes with what? The word I just said was the first question.
lifelong. Oh wait,
No,
no,
I
no.
said universal,
Universal life is flexible.
right? All right. Whole life, the word you go always goes with what?
Long life.
Well, let's say a long life on that, but the answer I want you to really be looking for is permanent. Whole
Permanent.
life and permanent go together. Got it?
Okay.
The word association with term life is what?
It's temporary.
Exactly, temporary. It's certain. Now the word association with variable is always separate account. Because variable is invested in a separate account like mutual funds and is not guaranteed or fluctuates. That always go together. So what's the answer?
So the answer is going to be C. Cash values are invested in separate accounts.
Perfect. All
Um,
right, so you shouldn't get that wrong. You should be taking notes, creating flashcards. You put the answer, you put one word on the other side and the other word on the other side. And so you got to be able to match these words up like that.
okay, I am.
And you ain't got to be overthinking it. Just the word, these words go together. And you can pass this test in 20 minutes. Next.
You pushing it. I can't pass no test in 20 minutes now.
Girl, if I don't know, your test up there might be longer, but how many questions on your test?
100.
Oh hell, that's a lot. That's gonna take longer, Tori. All right, read the next one.
The grace period provision ensures that the grace period provision ensures that funds are refunded if the policy lapses, coverage continues for a short period at the premium. I know what grace period is.
Well, put it in your own words. What's grace period?
So it's a period of time where I guess during your policy, like, I don't know, they give you time to pay for it,
Right. They give you time to pay for it, so it doesn't do what?
so it doesn't lapse or can't.
Right. So what's the question? What's the answer?
So it's what, A?
No.
No, 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 no. So it's going to be premiums can be skipped without consequence. So
You just said it, superstar. What did you said the grace period if they give you time to pay the premium before it lapses. Didn't you just say that?
yeah.
What's read B?
So coverage continues for a short period after the premium due date.
That ain't what you that's exactly what you just said. It just worded differently.
Right.
You said to give you more time to pay the premium to keep the policy from lapsing. And your answer and the question said the answer says coverage continues for a short period. So you can't let them changing the words up a little bit throw you off. Now you got to be able to like that's basically the same thing. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
That may be one of the reasons why people struggle because it be the exact same thing, but when it's worded differently, it throws people off. So you got to concentrate and not let that throw you off. You got to be, yeah, that is saying the exact same thing. So go with what you know, like you knew what a grace period was, articulate that in your head if you got to write it out, and then find the one that matches what you know
Got you.
versus trying to be figuring out all this other stuff. Then the more time you consider this other stuff, you're gonna get it wrong.
Mm-hmm.
All right, next.
The incontestability clause prevents a insurer from so it's going to be canceling coverage for non A
No. If you what the incontestability clause, put that in your own word. What does that mean?
that you can could so it's going to be B.
Yes, you're right, it's B, but I still want you to put it in your own words.
You can't contest to, I don't know, the policy?
Well,
No.
why did you say B?
I don't know. I just guessed on that one.
That ain't good, girl. This is called practice. This is where we're supposed to make mistakes in practice. And so you can get it right in the game. You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
So don't be guessing. We gotta practice. Mistakes is what you learn from. So incontestability clause. Make a note, look it up, make a flashcard, put contestability clause on one side, write the answer on the other side. And the next time we do this, I want you to be able to tell me what it means, because that is going to be on the test, because that is very important. You need to know that. Next.
Which provision allows the policy owner to reinstate a lapsed policy? B.
All right. I don't know what took you so long, girl. Did that put the answer was right to the question? Don't be overthinking this stuff. Think
That's
very, think very surface, just the surface. The words that match, if the word is in the question, that's it. You know, when I say just think at the surface, what you know what I'm saying? What do I mean?
like don't think too deep into
Right.
it.
Don't be trying to go no under the level, like what are
Right.
they trying to say? No, I know what are they trying to say. Just pick out the right answer. All right, next.
A rider that allows the assured to buy additional insurance at a specified times without proof of insurability is called B.
Yep. Next.
Which type of policy combines death protection with an investment component that offers equity-based returns? D.
No. And that now that can be tricky. So they trying to be fancy. So when they say equity-based returns, equities are mutual funds too, because their value fluctuates. So that I can see how that now that's the only one you really should miss if you don't really know that terminology. Equity-based returns, like you just got to understand that, know a little bit about how investments work. When a person buys shares or a mutual fund, they own those shares. It's considered equities. Like stocks are equities, bonds are loans. So that's why the answer is B, variable.
Okay.
So you just gotta be, you just gotta keep seeing that a few times to catch it. That was tricky. All right, next.
Which policy guarantees coverage under 100 or longer as long as premiums are paid? So that would be whole life.
That's right. Next.
The free look provision allows the policy owner to A.
Yeah. Next.
In life insurance, the conversion privilege must offer applies to
Most often.
often, I'm sorry, most often applies to it's B.
Yep. Why don't you got to pick something else?
I wa-
Convert.
I wasn't, but I know that conversion mean I mean you when you I know you converting it from a term to permanent.
Yep, that's it. Conversion is on one side of your car and term to perm is on the other side. All right, next.
What does the waiver of premium rider do? A.
Said. Next.
The entire contract provision means. B.
Yep. Next.
Which type of whole life policy have premiums that start low and gradually increase over time? Which type of whole life policy have premiums that start low and gradually increase over time? A.
No.
Which type of whole life policy has premiums that start low and gradually increase over time? This.
You guessed it now. So let's talk about it. What is limited pay whole life? Limited pay is the name, the first name. 10 pay life, 20 pay life, paid up at 65 is the last name. So limited pay whole life means you only got to pay for a limited period, like 10 years or 20 years or to 65. The answer is B, graded premium. There's only two types of whole life policies that premium starts off low and goes up. All other whole life policies have a level premium all the way to age 100. The two types of whole life policies that go up over the premiums increase is a modified life and a graded premium life. What's the first two letters of modified?
MOD.
MO. The first two letters is MO. So that means the premium moves once. MO, move once. So you should put on a card, modified on one side and go up once, move once on the back. Graded premium means it goes up several times. How many grades have you got in school till you graduate?
Well,
12, a whole lot more than one. So you got graded several increases. That's why the answer is B.
okay.
Single premium whole life means you pay one time. An adjustable life has a model where the death benefit and the premium period can change. It's something totally different. So
Okay.
that answer, you gotta put graded on one side and several increases, or just like several grades on the other side. That should be a super easy question for you.
Okay.
All right, next.
The purpose of the suicide clause is to B.
Yep, next.
Which non-forfeited option allows the policy owner to use the cash value to buy reduced paid up insurance? Extended term.
Girl, what? You lucky we ain't in the same room, man. You be fighting. Read the question.
Which non-forfeited option allows the policy owner to use the cash value to buy reduced paid up? Oh, okay. So it's going to be B.
Yeah.
The answer is
Didn't I just tell
A.
you the answer? If it's the answer to the question, that's the answer.
Yes.
So what's the problem? What we doing here?
I need to take. I definitely have to learn the word associations, but I also have to take my time and pay attention to what the question is saying, because clearly the question that was so easy, the answer was inside of the question.
Right. I think it might be, I don't know whether you got a tendency to guess. Were you guessing or did you think extended term was right? I don't know what happened there, but if you do that 5, 6 times on the test, plus you miss 5, 6 times, I mean you ain't gonna know them all. Bam! Next thing you know, you done fail.
Right.
You can't miss those easy ones because it's gonna be some hard ones that you know just gonna miss because nobody getting 100. So I think that's what we meant. That's where we getting our track. So some of them are hard, but you missing too many just lay downs. All right, last one.
What does the accidental death benefit rider provides? It's going to be B.
Yes, yes. Why was you so hesitant, superstar?
I wasn't hesitant, but my son was talking, so he was interrupting me.
Okay, cool. All right.